Welcome to my channel. So this is my daily analysis for gold and GBP for today. Today is 10th of April 2024. So before I start, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. And yesterday we took no, it was on Monday we took GBP and I closed off yesterday because I was seeing good confirmation. So I want to talk about this first before I start the analysis. So I closed up the GPUSD because I saw good analysis. GPUSD was giving me 1 to 1 plus, but it's not up to 1 to 2 yet. Like maybe 1 point, I think it's like 1.80 before I close it out because I was seeing good setup and I don't want to hold in my GPUSD and still holding gold because we all know that gold and GBP correlate. And if I keep holding my GBP and took a buy on gold, so it means that if gold started going against me, GBP will start going against me as well. So I'll be losing what I made from GBP and I'll also be running on loss on gold. So that's why I choose to close my GBP At least what I made for GBP I will risk it on gold, knowing that okay, eventually if I lost the gold, then it will be on 0-0. At least what I lost on gold is what I made from GBP. And unfortunately, that's what happened that yesterday because the gold I lost the trade, but I didn't lose all because I made more than 1 to 1 plus, and I risked 1%. I risked 1/4 of what I made, which is, let me say, I risked 1%. I made more than 1%, so I'm still in profit that yesterday, despite that I lost the gold. So this brought me to you doing your money management very well. And the best way I believe that you can do your money management very well is risking the same amount of money in each trade you are entering. Because yesterday on GBP I risk I risk 1,000 at $1,500. That's what I risk on GBP which I made 2,000 plus. And on gold, I lost 1,400, almost $1,500. I'm up in profit like $500 plus or $600 plus yesterday, despite I lost a trade yesterday. So, for instance, if I risk $2,000 on gold, you know that I will lose everything that I made from GBP. So, I keep risking the same amount of money, 1,500 in any trade I'm entering, and I never exceed that 1,500 in each trade I'm entering. If you will see a difference, if you see a difference of $2, $5 because of maybe the calculation of the lot size, it might be say a difference of $1, $2, just a little bit difference. Like the gold trade now, I risk like 4,000 as $1,400 plus because the pips is too much and there is no way I can calculate it to get the exact 1.5 that I'm supposed to read. That's why I end up risking 1,004 something. So because some people yesterday might lose money from that trade. So whoever lose money from this trade yesterday is because you don't do your money management right. You don't calculate. You don't know how to calculate what the same amount of money with the pips the stop loss is. But if the stop loss is 100 pip, 80 pip, 30 pip, use it and calculate to use that pips stop as in the pips you are going to risk and use it and calculate to get the right loss size you will use, that when you lose a trade it will be the same amount of money you want to lose. That's what you lose. It's possible to do. If some of you don't know how to do, I know some of you only focus on maybe focusing on one loss size on one particular loss size each trade you are entering. You keep using that loss size and you forgot that each trade you are entering has a different stop loss. You can only use the same loss size when your stop loss are the same. Then if you are using one standard loss size and you are using 20 pips stop loss, no matter how it is, you're going to still lose the same amount of money. But when your stop loss is different, you can never use the same loss size in every trade, because you will be losing different amount of money in each trade, which will make your money management or your calculation not a balance. So this calculating your stop loss with the loss side, getting the right amount of money you want to risk in every trade is very important, because it will make your money management balance. Yesterday I didn't lose, but I know some of you might lose because maybe you don't calculate, you don't risk the same amount of money in each trade you are entering. So let's go into the analysis. I'm seeing buy setup on gold and on GBP again. After gold took us after that yesterday, I saw another buy setup on gold, but I didn't take it, and the buy setup now is in profit. I will explain it on this video, but I'm seeing a fresh buy setup on GBP USD. So let's see whether it play out. But I'm not sure I'll take any trade again, because there is nothing, as in there is CPI today. So maybe I'll take a trade after the CPI. Yeah, I think I have to wait and take a trade after the CPI, because whatever setup market is giving you now, the CPI might turn it upside down. Yeah, it might cause you to lose the trade if the CPI go against what your technical analysis is telling you it gets. So let me explain to you guys and show you guys my setup today. And my challenge $10 to $20 to 20,000. I lost my first trade, which is the gold I took yesterday. So I blew the account yesterday. I lost my first trade, but it is what it is. I will do it again. Yeah, because the first trade is very important. If you get your first trade right, forget you're okay with it. Because I wish if I won that trade yesterday, I would have made like $30 or $40 out of that $20 that they proceeded. Which then if I keep risking $20, I have to risk 3 times to lose that money, which it will be very hard. But it is what it is. The first trade I lost it, I blew the account. I will try again. Yeah. So let's go to the analysis. So I'm starting the analysis with gold. But before I do that, this is my website. So guys, if you want me to mentor you, or if you want to learn how to trade from me, go to my website. This is my website, www.renaozopipsfs.com. Go to the website and sign up. Now we are on promo, so all the plans I slash it to $75. We're on promo. 1 month plan is $75, 6 month plan is $75, and the yearly plan is $75. So guys, this is the best time to get in, man. This is the best time to get in. So if you want me to teach you how to trade, this is the best time to get in. Jump into the academy and I'll teach you what I use and how I trade, guys. So this is good. So yesterday, you all saw it on my Telegram channel. We took a buy from somewhere here, and immediately goes massively drop and took us out from somewhere here. And I saw another setup, but which I didn't take, because already I don't feel like taking it again, but it's the right setup. So this is the second setup I would have taken on gold, and it would have been in profit right now. This is another entry for buy that yesterday after I took us out, but this thing happened like around 7 or around 6 p.m. my own country time. So if you took that buy from here, would have been in profit like it's not up to 1-to-1 yet, but I'll be in profit, and we'll be targeting this side, which is 1-to-2. So I believe that if If gold keep moving before they release the CPI, definitely it's going to hit this TP. If you keep moving before they release CPI, but if you start ranging before CPI, nobody know what that CPI news might do. But this is the second entry I would have taken, but I didn't take it because it was already late, and I don't know. I'm just kind of not feel like taking it. That's why. Because this is why I wanted to, I will take this buy again, because this is the zone I drew that yesterday, which market still on that descent zone. I know I removed it, but I think I remember very well. This is the zone I drew that yesterday. I was looking for market to come into. So it first come into it and tap this trend line, tap this moving average. Then when it started moving back, I took a buy from somewhere here, which it dropped and took us out, and it's still inside this support. I was waiting for it to come. So he started buying again. So this is where I saw another buy confirmation. But I didn't take it because it was late. But let's see how it play out. So today analysis on gold. You can see that daily time frame is still bullish. And 4 hours time frame. Then what I'm waiting for now is before I will take another buy, because this one I was supposed to take, the second one I didn't. So for me to take another buy on this gold, I would like to see gold take out this high. If gold take out this high, then I will pay attention to this support here. So this is the level I will be looking at to buy gold, to be on this zone. Let it just break this high and retest it, then I'll look for my entry. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm gonna let it take out this high, then come back to somewhere this zone. Okay, that I drew that zone from 4 hours time frame. Might also pay attention to this. Then it might be somewhere here, but I don't know. Let it take out this high first, then I will know the exact way. I will know the exact place my support zone might be. But if you take out that, it will still remain the same. If you take it out and retest, I will start looking for a buy from lower time frame, on this 15-minute time frame. So this is GBP USD. There is already a clear setup on GBP USD. So this is daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see that it took out this high with shadow yesterday. Took it out with shadow yesterday. And now this is the support that it might come back to before moving up, before keep moving up. This is support that it will come back to. So this is the 4 hours time frame. You can see that it took out this high with the body. So I'm expecting it to come back to this zone, which it did yesterday. It touched it yesterday, touched this zone yesterday and started buying. But I'm expecting to come more into this zone. Look at this levels here. So I'm expecting that it might still drop into this zone before I will start looking for the buy. So I believe that this will still drop. So I'm expecting it to drop. And the reason why I'm expecting it to drop, I'm expecting this CPI to be sell today. Yeah, my prediction for this CPI is sell. So I'm thinking that CPI might still drop it down to somewhere here inside this box before it will start buying again. You can see that it's consolidating, and this might not do anything. It might keep consolidating until they release the CPI today. So I believe that this is waiting for the CPI news, and my forecast for the CPI is sell. Guys, don't just jump into this trade because I say that my forecast is sell, please. But what I'm thinking that it might do is sell. Then that sell will drop into this zone, then giving us a full buy confirmation from somewhere here. So this is what I'm looking out for. So I'm gonna wait until they release CPI. Let's see where market is facing, guys. So that is it for my analysis today on gold and GBP USD. Thanks, guys, and God bless.